Very good morning, friends. So I hope you're all doing safe and healthy. Well, I started off with the series of Did You Know back again, season 2, and I've been talking on different Indias. Last video, I was talking in terms of Indes 37. So here I come with another aspect on Indes 37, and that is the concept of a jointly and a several liability. We know that what are the parameters in terms of creating provisions or the parameters when it is shown as a contingent liability. But the interesting issue comes, let's say if there are two or more than two parties which are jointly and severally liable for an obligation, then how do you present a provision in the books, or how do you present, a contingent liability in the notes to accounts? Let's understand this with the help of an example with you. जो बच्चे सीए फाउंडेशन की तैयारी कर रहे हैं उनके लिए एक खुशखबरी। संडे के संडे सीए फाउंडेशन एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए एक स्कॉलरशिप टेस्ट होता है और इसे कम्बैक्ट के नाम से जानते हैं, जिसके लिए बच्चों को केवल एक टेस्ट देना है। एक लाइव टेस्ट कंडक्ट होता है एमसीक्यू फॉर्मेट के अंदर, और इसके लिए आपको सिर्फ अनअकैडमी की ऐप डाउनलोड करनी है और अनअकैडमी की ऐप डाउनलोड करके आपने एक टेस्ट देना है लाइव संडे को 12 बजे, और उसके लिए एक इनवाइट कोड इस्तेमाल होगा। आप मेरा कोड इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं CAKB10। इसके अंदर 1 करोड़ का स्कॉलरशिप पूल क्रिएट किया गया है और रैंक्स आपके टेस्ट पे जो आती हैं, इनमें जो टॉप 3 रैंक्स आएंगी उन बच्चों को 1 साल की पूरी सब्सक्रिप्शन स्कॉलरशिप के फॉर्म में एब्सोल्युटली फ्री मिलेगी। ये नहीं, जिनकी रैंक नंबर 4 to 10 आएगी उनको भी 75% ऑफ दी सब्सक्रिप्शन स्कॉलरशिप के फॉर्म में मिलेगी, और इतना नहीं, जिनकी रैंक 11 to 50 आएगी उनको भी स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी। उनको 50% स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी, और जिनकी रैंक 51 to 200 आती है उनको भी 25% सब्सक्रिप्शन मिलेगी। तो आपने सिर्फ संडे को 12 बजे एक टेस्ट, लाइव टेस्ट देना है, जिसके बेसिस पर आपकी रैंकिंग्स पर आपको ये स्कॉलरशिप मिलेगी 1 करोड़ के स्कॉलरशिप पूल में। तो किस बात का इंतजार है? आइए, लेट्स क्रैक इट। Let's take a very simple little example which is in front of you. Let's assume that there are two parties which are liable to meet a present obligation in the ratio of 70-30. And let's say that you've already met the parameters of creating a provision as per Indes 37, and the amount of provision to be created in totality is 20 lakhs. Now the question rises that if there are two parties, what is the amount of provision to be created for the party number 1? And would he be recognizing any contingent liability? What is the amount of provision to be taken care for the party number 2? And would he be recognizing a contingent liability? Now, Indes 37 makes the position very clear. Well, if you look at the party number 1, which is liable for 70% of the present obligation, he would recognize a provision which is 70% of 20 lakhs. That means he would recognize a provision to the extent of 14 lakhs. Now, the remaining 30%, which is a present obligation for the party number 2, is supposed to be a contingent liability for the party number 1. Since both the parties are jointly and severally liable for this particular obligation, then we can say that since 70% is to be borne by A, and in case the party number 2 does not pay, then it is a contingent liability for party number 1. And with the same logic, we can say that 30% is to be borne by the party number 2, and if the party number 1 does not pay, then it is a contingent liability for the party number 2. So what is a provision for party 1 becomes a contingent liability for party 2. What is a provision for the party number 2 becomes a contingent liability for the party number 1. Isn't that pretty interesting indeed in terms of jointly and severally liable? Remember, this is not a case of reimbursement. That is a different concept altogether. So that's all for this particular video. Thank you for watching. Goodbye and take care.